Good morning, class Earth. We are again here to proceed chapter number 3rd of history. Our today's topic is cultivation of opium and cultivation of indigo. That is given on page number 19 in your book. So first of all, we are going to discuss about uh, cultivation of opium. The British bought tea from China and had to pay for it in silver because the Chinese were not in need of Western goods. It was a time when the British bought tea from China, and instead of tea, they pay silver instead of Western goods because the Chinese did not want any Western goods. The the British planned of producing opium in India and then smuggling it to China. The British had made a planning for the production of opium in India, and to they wanted to smuggle it to China. The farmers were forced to produce opium by the British, and the Indian farmers were forced at that time to produce the opium. The next produce is indigo. So, indigo cultivation. Indigo is a blue color dye which is which is obtained from a tropic, tropical plant indigo. The name of that plant is indigo also. This dye was used by European textile producers. Whatever the textiles, whatever the clothes we have to wear, those are made up of either cotton. In those days, there was no polyester, no rayon, no nylon, only cotton. That's why each and every the basic color of that cotton is white. But through different colors of dye, the producers dyeing that dyeing the thread of cotton and prepare the textile in different color. In that color, there is indigo one. One of the color is indigo. It was a great demand in European market because every officials in Europe and also the army and police uniform was made up of this color. The great demand of indigo in European market because of the decline of the production of indigo in Europe or in Caribbean island in 1790s. Due to rapid industrialization, the demand of Indian indigo increased further at the end of the 18th century. The European planters began to invest in indigo production. They pressurized the farmers to sign contracts for loans and produce indigo. Forcibly, the British producers in the British producers made a contract with the farmers of India to produce the indigo. When the farmers signed the contracts, they had to cultivate indigo on at least 25% of land holdings. Whatever the land holdings of a farmer, 25% of the 25% part of that land of their land has to be cultivated to produce indigo. They were exploited because they got very less price for their produce and the cycle of loans were never ending. But after producing indigo, they were get very less price of that produce. So the cycle of their loan was endless. There were two systems of indigo cultivation. The first one is niche cultivation and second is Rioti system. So niche system. In niche system, the planter produced indigo in the lands that he controlled directly. In niche system, the planter had to produce indigo on that land piece which was directly controlled by him. Either the planter bought the land or rented it from others. Hired laborers were appointed to produce indigo. Some of the hired laborers were also eligible to produce indigo. Some of the difficulties faced by the cultivators were the difficulties are already given on page number 20. Point wise, indigo could be cultivated on fertile lands only, which was not easily available. Means indigo could be cultivated only on fertile lands. Area of cultivation could not be extended or expanded. Third one is that large areas in compact blocks were needed for cultivation. Means जो compact block means the compact blocks of large areas were needed for that cultivation. Many plows and bullocks were required and the investment in them was difficult. Means too much resources were required along with a huge investment which was very difficult for the farmers of India. After the indigo cultivation, the land could not be used for rice cultivation, and in whatever the land the indigo could be cultivated, after that rice and other cultivations could not be possible on that land. Thank you. Our next topic could be Rioti system.